Okay, so what you see here is the Sieg SX2, otherwise known as the Axminster SX2, which has been rebadged. I also understand it's a Grizzly rebadged product as well. So what you'll see here to the rear is a standard product, but it's been modified. So I have put some strengthening arms on the back. You'll find the SX2 is a little flimsy as a standard out of the box unit. But this modification has been done to high quality, and you'll see there that it definitely stiffens up and makes the whole chassis more rigid, prevents that flex. Also at the top here you'll see there's been an amendment to the standard pretty weak DC motor arrangement, and instead of that I have put on I think it's 1 horsepower. Let me just check the plate there. Can't see it right now, but it'll be in the text of the eBay listing. And that's a 3-phase motor. It's got incredible amount of power, and you'll see that connects into an inverter, which I've also made on the wall there. So start, stop, forward and reverse, and a speed control. So I've set this so that it shows the rev speed. So if I set it to, let's have a look, if I set it to, there you go, 2600, let's start. Oh sorry, it's not 2600, it's 264, which is why it's going incredibly slowly. And you'll see I can wind that up, 400, 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, it goes all the way up to 3,300 RPM, which is more than enough for what you'd ever need. With the 3-phase motor you get an incredible amount of torque as well, even at the slow speeds. You'll see that the reverse, it has a steady die and reverse, so you can do that on the fly without having to stop the spindle. It automatically winds that down and then stops it, and the stop button obviously stops it. So that's all pre-configured, and that comes with it. That's all wired in. Really good unit. The only reason I'm selling it is because I'm upgrading. I'm finding that I need more and more, and I want to have a CNC machine. So this has done me a really good turn, and I've had it 3 years, probably just a little bit less than 3 years. And as you can see, really good condition. It's only done light work, mostly, as you can see from here, mostly aluminium and timber, and also Teflon, so really lightweight products, so it's not had a hard life. Everything's in working condition. We've got all the lock-offs. This is to, you can either set, that's free wheel, or you can set the free fine adjustment so that you can wind it in and have a bit more control, or you can pull that out. It's a bit difficult to do it with one hand, and then you can use the normal lever at the side. Everything's nice and stiff, nice and rigid. This is your up and down on your main body, and yeah, that's about all I can say really. Everything's in working condition. This is a new table. This is the extended table. You'll see it's got a lot more travel length than the standard one. So again, that's another modification. So actually the only original machine is this bit and the base is new. The stiffening I did about a year ago, and the motor arrangement, which loads of people have done because of the poor power on the base unit, that was done by me probably within 6 months of having it. So again, it's all been done to a very high standard. It all works very well. There's very little play in any part of it at all, no more than you'd expect from a brand new machine. It's all adjusted, Gibbs all adjusted and in good nick, no wear, and there we go. Thank you, good luck.